Hi, Bob Holloway once again from MarineMax in Louisville. Going to give you a quick run through on a Scarab 215 ID. Beautiful boat. It's got all the right features. Powered by twin Rotax 200 horsepower engine, so it's a total of 400 horsepower. This boat will get up and go. It's a really cool feature on the back of all the Scarabs is you've got a flip back seat, so if you're sitting on the back of the boat, you're sitting up nice and high, you're comfortable. You got cup holder, stereo control back there. Tons of seating in the boat. A lot of storage here. We do have a cushion that drops into this section to make seating all the way across if you need it. The boat does come with the Kicker premium sound system, so you've got 6 Kicker speakers and a subwoofer with amplifier. All the speakers have blue LED lights inside of them, so it looks really good at night. The dash system, this is actually a touchscreen dash. It's got GPS functions. It's got all your boat control functions, speed control. The boat does have ballast and it does have surf, so this boat's ready to do any kind of water sports you want to do. Great, easy to use, intuitive dash. Makes everything a lot easier from a driver's standpoint. You've got bolster seats on the passenger and driver's side. Lots of room in the bow, lots of storage in the bow. Guys, what can I say? This boat, once again, nobody else makes a 21-foot boat with 400 horsepower, and they certainly won't give you water sports and surf capabilities as well, and obviously the safety of a jet drive. Come by and see one. Bob Holloway at MarineMax in Louisville. You can reach us 24 hours a day at MarineMax.com.